everyone. Welcome to the Microbiology YouTube channel, Studying the Invisibles, where you will master the microbiology concepts in an easy peasy way. So, let's get started. Today's concept, what we are gonna have fun with, is an intro part, that is fundamentals of microbiology. This branch, what we are gonna cover in our channel, has many subdivisions. They are having many subdivisions, okay? That is virology, bacteriology, protistology, mycology, immunology, and parasitology. What is microbiology, guys? It is whether peeping through this microscope? Yes, of course. Right. We know that it is a branch which deals about the study of these microbes. The word microbes is a Greek origin, okay? Micro means small. In Greek, bios means life. And what about cellular microbiology, guys? It is the pure research about microbial cells. Speaking in simple words, cellular microbiology is a branch that harbors deep study, okay, about the microbial cells property and their functions, like that stuffs. Well, now we'll focus on their supernatural diversity. Focus here, guys, how immense they are. They show a huge diversity, which we can see them as the single celled ones, like this, and the ones which can be in the cluster or colonial form. See how it is arranged. And finally, the one without cell, that is acellular. If you want to focus how huge these microorganisms occupy our earth, let's move our earth. 5 into 10 to the power 30 microbes has their shelter. Sounds big, no? 5 into 10 to the power 30. What is this number estimates? I think it is around, not around, more than trillions. That is 5 times more than trillions. It is a huge, but it's not a surprising output, because even as a human, we incorporate about 39 trillions of microbiota. Okay, 39 trillions of microbiota. These 39 trillions of microorganisms which stay in our body is called as human microbiota. They are the aggregates of the bacteria, virus, fungi, archaea. Did you know, guys, that our body comprises 10 times more microbial cells than our normal body cells? See how intimate that as a human we are with these guys. Speaking about the percentage, they stay up as about 50 to 60% of the cells in our body are considered to be microbial cells. Okay, 50 to 60% of the cells in our human body are considered to be the microbial cells. And finally, by seeing these huge counts, don't be exhausted or feel bad by seeing these guys. There are also good guys in this category. Okay, guys, you should be very clear that the good microbes present are very much friendly by making things done for us, like digestion, then regulating our immune system, then destroying the poison which is produced in our body. Then they've been used in therapies too. Like this, many good stuffs they are dealing with us for us. Understood? As a humans, we are in a firm relationship with these microbes, Focusing on our gut, the approximate amount of our gut composing bacteria on average adult, maybe he or she, weighs about 1 kg. See here, on approximation, there is 1 kg bacteria on average gastrointestinal tract. 1 kg of bacteria, that will be equal to our human brain weight. Seriously, it is breathtaking, really. See, what a super organism we are. Having 1 kg of bacteria approximately. In our GI tract, our large intestine is the home for trillions of bacteria. These bacteria are very friendly. They do many things for us, like they produces vitamins. They produce vitamins like vitamin B, vitamin K, and they help in the breakdown of harmful chemicals, then even destroying bacteria, that is harmful bacteria they destroy. Then they helps in digestion of dietary fibers. What are dietary fibers? Dietary fibers are nothing, it is the plant based material which our body can't digest them. So this bacteria, this good bacteria which is present in our large intestine are helping in breaking them down. Guys, what do this image deals with? Yeah, it's about excretion. Study shows that the human adult will excrete his or her own weight through the feces composing bacteria. That is around 50 to 80% of poop in the exception of water. That is 50 to 80% of the poop is composed of bacteria. Metagenomic studies refers that there are 3.3 unique million genes are present in our human gut. You can have a doubt now, guys. What is metagenomic studies? It is a study of genome or a group of genetic material of this microbial community. Okay, understand? From this 3.3 million unique genes, 150 times more genes belongs to this gut bacteria or gut flora or gut microbiota. All have same meanings, that which referring to the organisms that live in our gut. See here, see this diagram, you can understand the whole view. That is 150 times more genes belongs to this gut flora or gut microbiota or gut bacteria. Okay, if you see this diagram, you can remember this easily. Okay, 1,000 bacterial species are living in our human gut. In that 1,000 bacterial species, our large intestine plays a major lead role. Okay, as we studied earlier that it is a home for trillions of bacteria. We have the concern about the acellular one, which is meant to be viruses. Every one of us will have a common idea that our genetic material is from our ancestors. Yeah, right. But studies conclude that not all our genetic material is from ancestral origin. You can ask, what? Absolutely. Yeah, guys, they bring up that our 8% of the genetic material is from viral origin. Okay, if we represent through the pie diagram, see like this. They institute that 8% of our DNA consists of remnants of the ancient viruses. What do you mean by remnants? Remnants means leftovers. So now we can puzzle out this evolutionary surprise that some part of our DNA is from the leftovers of the ancient virus. Got clear? Now we'll deal about the benefits of the virus which is present in our body. Bacteriophages. Bacteriophages plays a vital role in maintaining our body. Bacteriophages are the type of viruses which are used in the therapy named phage therapy. This is used to treat bacterial infections. These viruses, that is these gentlemen, are used to kill the bacteria in the way that is similar to the use of antibiotics. So finally, guys, we have mastered how humans are profound, that how humans are deep with these microorganisms. At this moment, we are gonna see how these microorganisms plays a vital role in other extremities, like in our ecosystem all over the world. Microorganisms are the foundation of this biosphere. Without them, no life could be evolved at, literally. They play several unmeasurable roles in supporting the ecosystem. Ecosystem, what is that? It is a system of the community where both non-living and living things work together. As an illustration, we can now see how these microorganisms hold up with the ecosystems like forest ecosystem and marine ecosystems. Guys, you know a surprising fact. In ocean, there are 100 million times many bacteria, just as stars present in our universe. Amazing. Each day, 20 to 40 percentage of bacterial cells are extracted by the viral infection. That is, the viral infection caused in ocean clears up 20 to 40 percentage of the bacterial cells. And even these microbes living in the ocean help by making some nutrients available for the living marine creatures. Understand? Now moving towards the forest ecosystem. Forest ecosystem is the major part of our biosphere. Plants dominate the biomass of the biosphere. The microorganisms also perform greater photosynthesis as plants do. Finally, as the end of our introduction video, we are gonna wind up with the biogeochemical cycle. What is biogeochemical cycle? It is the natural pathway in which the cycling of elements needed for the living matter is circulated. Guys, by deep diving into this diagram, you can notice that oxygen, sulfur, hydrogen, nitrogen, carbon are the essential elements needed for our life. And these elements are cycled by the microbes. That these elements are influenced under the microbes. Cycling of essential elements needed to the living organisms are cycled by the microorganisms. And why this tree on the head of the carbon? Yeah, because photosynthesis is a partner of carbon cycle. That's it, guys, for the introduction about fundamentals of microbiology. If you want more videos through this funny pictures and get your microbiology concepts clear like this way, then do subscribe, like, share and comment.